8-foot crow.
Come to Daddy.
I'm sure if he had something to push against his crow.
Yeah, look at his little arms going again, cooked together.
About the company you're investing in, you're making an informed decision, not taking a gamble.
Hiya.
It can be huge.
Hello.
I put £1,000 into the Building Society in 1970. Today, it would be worth £13,000. Now, suppose instead I put £1,000 into a spread of shares, and they've kept up with the UK stock market. Today, my money would have grown to over £51,000. Now, that's what I call growth. Most people save their money with a bank or the
Hit yourself in the face with it. Go on, hit yourself with it.
Really hard against
Come, you
inflation.
naughty. Slap yourself in the face.
If you really want your money to grow, evidence shows over the long term.
Go on, slap yourself in the face. That's it. That's it, slap yourself. Yeah. Yeah, I am. Looky, looky, looky. What? Is that your smile? Is that it? Curly tongue. Yes, yes. Push away, away. Look at that way. Bring some forward then. Go on. Come on. Go on. Go on. That's it. Oh! Oh, you want to eat telly, don't you?
Oh, sit him on your knee. Let him watch telly. He's straining his little ass out to try and watch telly.
I don't know whether it's wet. He must have
He
done, 'cause
probably
it's
has.
salt.
Well, he must have then. He's weird. He hasn't got an nappy on.
I'm not putting him on my knee.
He's happy.
On your mat.
I'm not bothered that you wink. No. I'm not bothered that you wink. And I like you having a...
Da 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 da. Can you say it? Can you say it to me?
Could probably say it better than you. Quick flash now. Oh!
We're not flashing out, are we?
What was that?
We're not flashing. Well, I think you've weed on me again. You think you weed on me, you?
Brilliant! Come on then. What are you doing? What are you doing?
No, he's just playing with Kitty. He's just lost track of where she is at the moment. Frank, you're ruining my focus.
Hey, let Tom have a straw.
Clint!
Come on, baby. What's this? Come here.
You're ruining your plants, mate.
Where? Here. What's this? See? Oh, you've been chewing your colour.
He's very nice, but then he's a bit dribbly, okay?
What's that? What's that? Oh, now you. A right nice smell there, but I don't see it under hot chocolate. Oops. Come on, give Daddy a kiss. Bye, bye, when you get there. Sit down a minute. Oh, a mess. Right. I think we should give him a wash now. What do you think? You want a wash? You want a wash? You want more chocolate?
Say bye-bye then.
Goodbye.
Wave, bye-bye.
Yeah, who's this? What is this?
Can I employ cleaner?
Hey, hey. What?
You've got a lot of things to play with.
Come on.
I want to do proper, Gina.
You're on.
Hello, good. Stand up. Pull yourself up. Pull yourself up. Get ball in. You get dinner out of it. Dinner. Hold on, stand it up. You're more interested in your mum than me now. Hello. Sit down. Right, sit yourself down. Sit down. Get that crud off you. Well, you want to stand up there? You want to stand up, ready? You. No. You'll be famous, do you? You're more interested in camera. Sorry, I didn't get up like that. I've got a bruise on its face, it's mine. Stop. Stop. Hey. Right, Timo. It's concentration, man. You fly like a bird. Oh, take it away, that's it. There you go. Stand on his own. Oh, stand him. Have you got him? Woo! And again. Yeah, that big smile, isn't it? Yeah, that big smile. So happy when you stand in there. Oh, crochets. Sit down then. Have a rest. Sit down. Sit down. Put your legs straight. Bend your legs. You want to stand up? You know what I mean? You sit down there. Have a rest then. Crushing it. And up you go. Up you go. There's a smile. Happy with his standing up. You're happy, you know. You're happy. That boy. Let's take some clothes off. You'd be dying to. Shave your head or something.
We got 7 minutes of this now.
Right. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, because you're boring them.
Ah.
Big sparrow now, you're going to spend it. You can stand up now, you can what else?
Talk to us then.
Come on, have you got a message for all your fans out there?
Talk to us.
Come on,
Take his bib off. You always seem to have a bib on, don't you? This is Pussycat on the floor.
Little chest trousers, haven't you? Little chest trousers.
Say bye-bye.
Where?
A lot better than this camera.
You're getting very chunky, you aren't you? You're putting away, you aren't you?
Your mum's not making sure you're not always shorts, is she? Stinking there. What the helmet, because you know you sweat so much. What the helmet there? Yeah, you're sweating so many times, you're washing off.
I place it somewhere else so we can get the ball.
Clint. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh my god.
One down, 5 up, right? When you change gear, it's not a very good box, you know what I mean? It's a very rough box. Yeah. That's the top side, right? You don't need first unless you want to play. You just up all the time and then down all the time.
Carl, be careful.
You start rocking first now, no, second is third. Start off third. Use the heel. You're a crap box. You're best standing up most of the time. Standing on these? Yeah, once you get going.
Just be careful. Where's he going?
Oh, it's not that loud, is it?
No, I couldn't hear it. I just saw you. It's a knob. Oops, that's some video.
Not you, any money you're calling from on that bit there. Because the race comes over, it comes down.
Didn't just go wrong for you, did it? It went wrong in a huge way. Tell us what happened.
We had food poisoning, so we were restricted to our room for 3 or 4 days.
Where have you gone?
Oh, it's finished.
St Lucia, right, so we're in the West Indies. Drink holiday you think.
So then just we had blood stain patients, where obviously someone had a wonderful holiday. In the bathroom, there's rust around the bathroom, so it's where we had to flush one of the stones. So we could come down and slowly back to the
What did you say? What did you say? Dada. Psst. 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 Dada. Dada. Wait.
off. And you didn't leave those on there.
Is it, Tom? What have you got? What have you got?
Show me that writing first. I'll read that writing. And let's show them the picture. Picture there, isn't it? Stand up.